YouTube, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Miriam. So today I just got out of work and I am on my way to pick up some groceries to get dinner started. So that's where I'm going right now. Sorry. So I wanted to pop in here and chat with you real quick on my way. I really need to invest in one of those camera things that holds up your phone. So I need to, you know what? I'll be right back. Hold on. Okay, yeah, so I'm back. This is a really bad angle, but bear with me, please. I swear I will invest in camera holder thing. But anyway, I wanted to pop in here real quick to just give you guys a little bit of an update. There's a couple of things that my family and I have been praying for. Let me close the windows so you can hear me. That we have been praying for and asking God for direction on. I'm not going to share it yet, only because it hasn't happened yet, and I don't know which way how it's going to turn out. You know the saying that make a plan and make God laugh type of thing. So I don't want to jinx myself yet, but there's something that we're praying for to happen, and I feel a miracle coming on, guys. Like, you know, when something good is about to happen in your life, when God's about to change your life and do something, answer your prayer or something, and I feel like it's coming. Definitely when it does come and when it happens, I will definitely share it with you guys. That's the whole purpose of me sharing my videos. So when it does happen, I'll share it, but I just wanted to let you guys know that there is a miracle about to happen to my family, and I will definitely take you guys along for the journey with that. With that being said, I'm about to go and get some food for dinner, and then get that started and get our night going. I'll see if I can pop back in here once I'm done cooking or while I am cooking, and just close it out. If not, I'll probably pick up the camera back up tomorrow. I'm looking for the breast milk tea because I am pumping, and usually that tea has helped me produce so much milk. I don't know if they have it here. And I'm excited because I had ordered blinds for my side door because it's one of those glass doors. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Looks like that. So you can basically see inside the house all the time. So I ordered these blinds from Home Depot, and it's here, and it was supposed to be here until the 15th, but it came in early. So this is the packaging. Let me see. I'm gonna see if I can take it out because I want to install it like today. The DIY in me is itching. Right, let me open it up. Let me open it. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so basically this is what it looks like. This is what my door looked like before I just installed these add-on blinds. So what you do is on here, on the side, it's like built-in blinds. You can like roll it up, right? And then on this side, you can control it to make it closed or open, right? Awesome. So now we get some privacy, but I'm gonna open it up right now because the kids are outside. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna raise it up until nighttime, and then I'll close it up. But I am so excited about this, guys. Like, I was not expecting it to be here so soon, but it came early. So Yeah. The little things that make me happy. Yeah. All right, so look who we got. We got the whole gang. Gang.
Daddy. You got Daddy.
This is your first time meeting my kids, so this is Josiah, Joab.
I'm 6 years old. He's Josiah's 11, and Mom's
Don't tell me. And this is
Joel.
Dilly. You just woke up. Joab, ew.
You better put an emoji on his face and edit that.
Oh my gosh, Joe. Basically, we have dinner going.
Yeah, we got dinner going.
I have some potatoes, sweet potatoes,
And
rice,
Kurdish.
and some chicken in there. And then I have cantaloupe, which disappointingly is not sweet. So
That's not
I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I think I might have to. I don't know. What do you do after you cut it and it's not sweet? Do you just let it sit and let it warm up? Guess who's here?
Football.
God is good.
We got Daddy in the field. What's up?
Yeah, huh? You sound like you love your power, nigga, man, feel happy, dog. Oh, God is good, yeah. I guess we'll do a vlog.
Yeah.
That's a good girl.
Yeah, we are.
She started her vlog.
Oh my God.
I love camera. Oh, you want? Mwah, I love you.
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to Esther.
Hi, Esther. Hi, Auntie S. Do you like the blinds?
I do love the blonde. They give a good,
Look.
realm to the crib. It got a good
Look,
blend.
so you can change
Wow.
it, get some privacy.
She want to go buy a blonde. Yeah, that she's
came
slowly
in today.
but surely getting her
Let me
life
show them
back
my
from down.
sneaker
I'm getting my life. Oh gosh.
Yeah, so
Boom. Boom. I have more.
the ones is trash. Whatever stream we're on.
But okay, let me get
You
back
left her
to
down.
Deli. We left you, Deli.
You left her down.
You supposed to come with us, Del. Daddy's here. Daddy's here.
Daddy's here.
All right, so you can't be on here for too long because it's a school night. We have work and school tomorrow, so
Yeah, but I could just, stay home.
oh my gosh. So I'm at my son's school. He's about to get an award today, a special award. So I left work for a couple of hours so I can be here to basically support and witness him during his award ceremony. I'm so excited. So let's go. Let's check out Joab.
Joab!